What's up, guys? Welcome to a new day in Virginia. Oh, it is so cold out here. I'll pull my phone and see where it's sitting at now. Gotta have my YouTube up, my private one. It is 21 degrees. The coldest I've felt in a rather long time. Truck just let me cross, so I can move while I can. Let's see here. If you guys end up fogging up when you get to the apartment, I'm sorry about that. That is one of the negative effects of this kind of weather. And I hate it. All the condensation that would develop on cars would be frozen right now. And there is a snowstorm headed our way. It's definitely coming. Oh God. The sheriff. Huh. After that, I'm ordering my new shoes, and hopefully they'll show up within a 2-week period. Because the shirt I ordered from Lance210.com has yet to show. And I want him to see me sporting his merch. Hopefully get a shout out and for my YouTube channel. Because that is something I do want. I will do whatever it takes to try and help you guys find me a little easier. Along with others. Hopefully get my own line of merch. While still getting sponsored by famous ones like Asics. Well, maybe even Carhartt. That's the kind of jeans I got. And I like them. God, it is horrible. There's that silver 4Runner. Lives in the neighborhood, but not in the complex. Foreign in the complex is, the color is actually pewter. Anyways, we'll see where things go from here. But frankly, the only reason I came out like this wasn't for the food, but I needed to get the rent money, so that I at least have a roof to stay under still. I'd rather not lose a home. I can't afford to get one yet. And I'd rather not freeze to death when I still have so much ahead of me. Here's a car coming. Honestly, guys, it is cold enough that you could rob me with just a few small drops of water. It's so cold. And that is something Mighty Duck has once said. And he's a YouTuber I watch occasionally. I watch Lance Stewart. Omar Gosh and Most RG the Most. Those folks, those three are my favorite YouTube creators. Let's see you at the apartment. I need to get my hands in my pockets. It is cold. I'm not gonna risk filming this lady. Yeah. I'm not gonna do something like that. Accidentally film someone who doesn't want to be on camera. That would be a dumb move. Let's see if it's still crazy muddy back here, because if it is, I won't be real happy. Ah, it's frozen. Thank God. Oh, fudge. I don't have to worry about my shoes getting all muddy. It is because the mud's frozen. Look at that cat. I saw a stray cat the other day in this parking lot. Wednesday, I believe. Though I have a feeling it's not really a stray like I initially thought, because I saw that cat hanging out by one of the houses over that way. Wow. Literally the coldest I've experienced in years, in at least 10 years. Well, not exactly. I just remembered something. It got even colder a couple of years ago. But the snowstorm then wasn't nearly as big as that last one we had. Last one we had was big. This one may prove to be even an even bigger monster. We're predicting up to 12 inches. Throughout the Richmond area and Hanover County area. And I'm in the Hanover County area, guys. So, yeah. I'm gonna be directly affected by it. And I am not looking forward to that. I'm actually considering a pair of sloggers for the but those wouldn't do a very good job keeping me warm. Oh, you can even see my breath just from me talking, guys. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. Yeah, I'm just making sure it didn't fog up the lens, guys. That wouldn't have been good. I would have been a little upset with myself. See you guys at Walmart. I've reached Walmart, everyone. A V6 Mustang. It sounds like a 3.7. So one of the good ones. For those of you who don't know, in regards to the Mustang, the 3.7 liter V6 that it was available with at one point, is Ford's Cyclone motor. That used to be the entry-level Mustang until the S550 chassis came out. Yeah, the whole world. Yeah, these new Mustangs are definitely sought after. They are such good cars. Not to mention, they actually look really good. Looks like an F-100 or an F-250 from the 70s. Those are good trucks. I definitely do not want to wear this here, guys, as a cart pusher, this coat. This is just straight up leather. Not meant for this sort of thing. Cart pushing, I mean. I'm looking forward to getting in there. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys when I get back out. Alrighty guys, I got a new pair of boots. Next step is those new Nimbus tennis shoes. I'm hoping I can find them for a good price. Guarantee you they won't be cheap though. See you guys back at the apartment. Guys, sorry about this. Yeah. See where the temps are sitting at now. It is 37 degrees. See if the storm's there's still a winter storm going on. I don't know why my camera's doing that. But yeah, it's definitely still this winter storm watch is still going. Winter storm is officially named Winter Storm Gia or something like that. So when they name a storm like that, you know it's gonna be big. Anyways, I'm gonna have to put this video to a conclusion here. So I'll see you guys next video.